In this lesson, you will take an imaginary trip into space. You will learn about the sun, moon, planets, dwarf planets, moons, and satellites. I've been reading about an astronomer. That's a scientist who studies stars, the sun, and the moon. I think I'd make a great astronomer. Muhaha! And guess what? The study of the universe beyond Earth is called astronomy. Hopefully, you will sense the excitement astronomers experience every time they peer into space. Through their huge telescopes. To see space better, astronomers use a telescope. Maybe I need one on the farm. Are you ready for a trip through our solar system? Then jump into your imaginary spaceship. Buckle your seatbelt. Turn on the oxygen supply. Give the signal to blast off. We leave our planet Earth at the speed of light. As we leave the atmosphere, we notice the sky is black and stars are all around us. In less than 2 seconds, we reach our nearest neighbor, the moon. We take a quick snapshot of the moon's surface from our window. Sometimes, rocks from space crash into planets and make big holes called craters. Moo, I wouldn't want one in my field. We notice the moon's deep craters, broad, dark plains, and lofty mountains. At the moon, we are about 240,000 miles from Earth. We will be careful to pass the sun at a safe distance. As we travel away from the sun, we leave behind Mercury and Venus. Mercury, the closest to the sun. Whoa, super hot. Mercury is the smallest of the 8 planets. It is almost the size of Earth's moon. Venus is a planet that is extremely hot and raging with gases and volcanic activity. Ahead of us are 6 more planets: Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Earth, our home. About 4 minutes after leaving Earth, we pass Mars. I wonder if cows could live there someday. Mars, the red planet. These areas, covered with iron-rich dust, are what give Mars its reddish color. Rushing on toward Jupiter, the largest of the 8 planets, we wonder about the strange, red spots moving across its surface. As we speed past Jupiter, we come to Saturn, the 2nd largest planet. Saturn has at least 7 thin rings and 60 satellites. In a few moments, we fly past Uranus. Uranus is tilted at a near 90-degree angle. After passing Uranus, we finally reach Neptune. Neptune is so far from the sun that it is very cold and dark. A very cold and windy planet. Oh, and Pluto used to be a planet, but now it was reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006. Dwarf planets orbit the sun and have enough gravity to form a round shape. The planets orbit, or they travel around the sun. That means they revolve in a big circle, like me chasing my tail. We have now traveled in our imagination over 3.5 billion miles in about 5 hours. Looking back, we notice that our sun is only a bright star shining among millions of other stars. Perhaps it is time to start back to planet Earth. When we study the universe and all the wonders, we know God is powerful. God created all of it. His majesty is displayed in the universe. But His love is for you. Here's some additional information about space. A satellite is something that orbits a planet. The moon is Earth's natural satellite, and humans also send machines into space as satellites. We live in a galaxy called the Milky Way. It has billions of stars. Wow, that's more than all the cows in the world. The word solar means anything related to the sun, like solar energy. And all of this planets, stars, galaxies is part of the universe. That means everything in space. Wow, we learned so much today. From planets to galaxies, space is amazing. Thanks for joining me. I'm Benny the Brainy Cow. See you next time for another adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Brainy Barn, where smart learning grows.